Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a question based upon circles. We'll try to find out the distance between two parallel chords. It is a PASCAT question. The question is, what is the distance in centimeters between two parallel chords of lengths 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter in a circle of radius 20 centimeter. We have just been told that there are two parallel chords, okay? The radius of the circle is 20 centimeter, hence the diameter will be 40, right? This will be 20, this will be 20. So we have these two chords, length 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So there are two cases possible here. Since the diameter is 40, so either both the chords will be on the same side of the diameter, or they can be on the opposite side of the diameter as well, okay? So obviously when we take it on the same side, we'll have the chord of 32 centimeter like this, and parallel to it I'll draw a chord of 24 centimeter, little bit smaller than that. Whenever we have a question on circles, I have told you that we'll always join the radius, okay? So I'll join the radius in both the cases, over here as well and here as well. Now I've told you a property that when from the center of the circle we draw a perpendicular on the chord is bisected, okay? So if I drop a perpendicular, it will be a perpendicular for both the chords, okay? So this chord will be bisected and this will also be bisected. This is a bigger chord, okay? This is 32 centimeter chord, this is 24 centimeter chord. So this will be 12, this part will be 12, this part will be 16, this part will be 16, okay? So we can see that this is a right angle triangle. I have this whole side as 16. I know the hypotenuse, which is 20, okay, because it is the radius. So I can find out this height O. Let me call this point A, okay, OA. OA will be equal to 12, okay. You can find it out using Pythagoras theorem. Then let me call this point B. I need to find out the length of OB, because if I have length of OA and OB, I can find out the difference. It will give me the distance between these two parallel chords. So for this triangle, let me call this point OBC, okay. For this triangle OBC over here, I have the base, which is 12. I have this OB and the hypotenuse, which is again 20. So OB will be equal to 16, okay, because in OBC we will have base as 12, this OB as 16 and OC equal to 20, okay. So I know OB, OA, I'll find out the difference between both. So OB minus OA, which will give me 4, okay. 16 minus 12, 4. This will be the distance between two parallel chords when they are on the same side of the diameter. So if you want to go through the options, you can directly mark option D as the answer, okay, because 4 is only present in option D. When we do it for the opposite side, when these chords are on the opposite side of the diameter, so I'll draw a chord over here. This will be of length 32. I'll draw a chord of length 24 over here, okay. So I'll draw perpendicular on both. This will be my center, this will be point A, B. I have to find out the distance OA plus OB, because this is the perpendicular, okay. Again, this is chord of length 24, this will be bisected into 12, 12. From center I will join the radius over here, this will be 20, so OA will be 16. Similarly for this, let me call this point C. In triangle OBC, this is 20 because this is the radius. OB I need to find out. BC will be half of this is chord of length 32, okay, so this will be 16, so OB will be equal to 12. So distance between these two chords is 16 plus 12, okay, OA plus OB, which gives me 28. So 4 or 28, option D will be the correct answer. So whenever you have such a question on circles or any other question in geometry, you should always think about all the cases possible, then only you have to answer the question, okay. I hope the explanation was understood. If you still have a doubt, please comment.